Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to recover a Facebook account if you no longer have access to it. Alright, so let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up Facebook. So if you forgot your email or your phone number and also your password and you cannot access your Facebook account, so what you can do is you can go to a web browser on your phone, and here you can type on Facebook and then you can say forget password. All right, so you can tap on the first result in here. So here it says enter your mobile number, but since you have no access to your phone number, you can tap on search by your email or name instead. Now here, if you cannot remember or if you do not have access to your email address anymore, you can type in your full name. Okay, so for example, I'm going to type my name in here. Okay, so my name is on the first one here. So this is one way that you can access your account. You can tap on your name here. And if you don't have access to the phone number attached, you can tap on try another way. And here you can tap on no longer have access to these. Here, this is the process to regain access to your Facebook account. So basically, you're going to provide a new login email, and then you need to confirm that it is you, and you need to get the email from Facebook for you to get back on Facebook. Now when you are ready for this one, you can tap on start and follow the prompt and you should be good to go. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.